This is not a Python pop quiz. This is a reticulation interrogation. I'm aware this isn't a reticulated python. This is Sunny, one of our boas. Full disclosure, I don't have a reticulated python, but I do know 5 things about reticulated pythons, and so do you if you know the answers to all of these questions. I'm thinking of a word. Dolphins are famously this word. Rocks are idiomatically not this word. Rachel Riley, Neil deGrasse Tyson and Susan and Mary Test, everyone agrees, are definitely this word. And reticulated pythons are the second most this word snakes in the world. What's this word? Which of the following people is not saying reticulated python in their native language?
Drangam.
Торлу-питон.
Чья бы корова мычала?
Ами-менишки-хеби.
Sammy, the reticulated python, said, "I am the largest snake in the world." And Pamela, the northern green anaconda, said, "Stuff and nonsense, I am the largest snake in the world." In what sense are Sammy and Pamela both correct? Just look at this beautiful wild-type reticulated python. She's no special morph, she's just as nature intended, with these gorgeous cryptic markings, this crooked path dorsal pattern, and these distinctive black and white medallions on her sides. She's simply stunning. So, I imagine you feel like you could give a pretty good description of her if, for example, you were chatting to a casting director who wanted to know if she'd be right for the movie they were working on and you didn't have a photo of her on your phone. But can you tell me this? What colour are her eyes? Big fight in the pub last night. This one bloke said that the reticulated python was the Michael Phelps of the reptile world. And then this other bloke said, the Christopher Columbus of the reptile world, more like. And then they just started throwing crisps at each other. What? I've got the answers. Question number 1, the reticulated python is considered to be the second most intelligent snake in the world after the king cobra. I'm not sure what this is based on, to tell you the truth, and I get the impression it hasn't been very thoroughly investigated, but I think it's probably about how inquisitive they are, their spatial awareness and their ability to problem solve. Question number 2, let's see who isn't saying reticulated python.
Drangam, reticulated python.
Торлу-питон. Reticulated python.
Чья бы корова мычала? Whose cow says moo?
Ами-менишки-хеби. Reticulated python.
Question number 3, the reticulated python is the longest snake in the world and the northern green anaconda is the heaviest. Some retics reach over 20 feet or 6 meters in length, and a northern green anaconda can weigh close to 550 pounds or 250 kilograms. Question number 4, wild-type retics, including the one in the photo, have orange or copper-coloured eyes. And question number 5, like Michael Phelps, reticulated pythons are fantastic swimmers. But while Michael generally goes for a swim, puts his clothes back on and then goes home, some pioneering reticulated pythons in the past swam way out to sea to islands where there were no reticulated pythons and just stayed there, as a result of which those islands now have retic populations of their own. Christopher Columbus, you may remember, did very much the same thing for Italians. That's it for this one. I'll be making a video soon about milk snakes and another one about bull snakes, so watch out for those. In the meantime, please like and subscribe, and you might like to watch this video about boas. I'm not going to point because last time I pointed at the wrong place, but it's up there somewhere. Thanks everybody. See you in the next one.